Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone. Make sure battery is above 20% and you can unlock the device with your PIN or pattern. Next, go directly to Settings, choose Passwords and Security, then Fingerprint Unlock. Tap Add Fingerprint and place your fingertip on the sensor repeatedly. Shift positions slightly each press so the phone captures edges and center. This fast start ensures the sensor has varied samples and reduces future recognition errors. So move deliberately. Once the initial scans begin, take your time to capture a full profile. Vary the angle to include the fingertip center, edges, top, and bottom. Lift your finger between each press and reposition slightly so the sensor maps different contact points. This increases accuracy in daily use. Make sure your finger is clean and dry. Oil or moisture reduces quality. After the system records all samples, assign a label for the print and enable the functions you want, such as device unlock or payments. Finish by testing the new fingerprint 5 times with slight angle and pressure changes to ensure consistent recognition. If you experience misses, delete the fingerprint and re-enroll more carefully, or add a second finger for backup. If problems persist, clean the sensor with a soft cloth, temporarily remove any screen protector that covers the sensor, and make sure MIUI is up to date. Software fixes can improve recognition. These final checks complete the change and prevent lockout or repeated failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.